What is going on, guys? Today's video we have the Xbox Series S. Today's video we're going to be giving away to our subscriber. He's going to go ahead and unbox it. This is 120Hz FPS compatible, which is going to be a huge step up from the Xbox One S he currently has. It's going to be a lot better. There's going to be a huge improvement for him. So it's just going to be good on space, good on Wi-Fi, good on everything else like that. Good for next gen, and it's really available. All right, so we're going to get into this here. Nathan's, I think.
You bought it from him?
No.
You gave it to him?
No.
He bought it himself?
Yeah, he bought it himself.
Nathan's so many moving.
Yo, power your dreams.
Why is it so tiny?
Hey, it's powerful.
Oh, it's not.
That's tougher than the PS4 over there.
This is it! This!
I know, it is a lot smaller than I thought it would be.
I know.
Emotional damage.
I thought it was like this thing.
It's tiny. That's it? What you used to call that?
Huh?
It doesn't look like something.
Minuscule?
There's no way!
Oh yeah, mini fridge. No, that's the other one, the Series X.
Pretty small,
What
huh?
else we got in here? That it? Huh?
The new controller, Nathan.
Oh, I thought there was a code in there.
Imagine it didn't come with one.
Now I got 2 controllers. No, 3.
4, the wired one.
You should
Right?
thank Daddy.
Yeah.
You should thank me. I want it for you.
That's pretty nice, actually. Where can I get that, Joey?
Hey, where'd he get that?
Save up for it.
This should be mine. I mean,
Why didn't you open it earlier? You was here before.
We had to wait for everyone to come here.
you know, this should be mine, so I'm just gonna know.
No one reads the instructions.
Kiddo, look at I'll pick it up.
Do you get 12 months free Game Pass Live or an Xbox Live? Or something?
No, they don't give you. Well, let's go into the setup process. So turning on the first time, it's very silent.
I know.
It's gonna be super quiet too and fast.
That's great. TV's off.
And the setup process, you can easily set it up with your phone. He already has an Xbox One S, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video.
You have to join line.
There you go.
Never mind, you're not even. Unless you get a Series X one.
And then we're just gonna have to wait for the update. The update took like 2 hours because of the Wi-Fi we're at. Most of it we had to use my hotspot because, all right, pressing the home button for the launch screen. And we get a controller update. So we have to wait for that. Let me speed this up for you guys. This shouldn't take long. It's only Bluetooth.
Takes 5 hours.
So dumb. All right, and then we're signed in and we have 360 gigs out of the box. 360 gigs.
What happened to the other 140?
Fortnite launches pretty quickly, actually. Launches way quicker than the Xbox One S or anything else like this. Loading times, graphics, and performance all are way... Hold B.
No, I want to watch it.
Bruh.
Again?
I didn't even watch it the first time.
Improved compared to the Xbox One S and previous gen. So it's a must-have console for especially the price. Beats even most gaming PCs. Especially with Game Pass, he's able to use many different games and just all digitally. It's really nice for this next level performance. Anyways, if you guys want to see more giveaways and just content in general, stay subscribed, like the video, and comment what I should do a video of next for my next giveaway. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out the rest of my channel. I recommend watching some of these videos right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.